Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how do you save to OneDrive in 2025. OneDrive is Microsoft's fantastic cloud storage solution that keeps your files safe, accessible from anywhere, and synced across your devices. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing digital life, mastering OneDrive will save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're using a Windows PC, it's super straightforward. Open the File Explorer, and you'll see the OneDrive folder in your sidebar. Simply drag and drop your files into it, or right-click on a file, select, Move to, and choose the OneDrive folder. OneDrive will automatically sync these files to the cloud, so you can access them from any device. Now, if you're on a Mac or another operating system, don't worry, head over to the OneDrive website. Log in with your Microsoft account, click on the Upload button, and select the files from your computer. It's that simple. For mobile users, open the OneDrive app on your iOS or Android device. Tap the plus icon, choose Upload, and pick files from your gallery or downloads. In 2025, OneDrive has even smarter features like autosave for Office apps, so documents you create in Word or Excel get saved directly to the cloud without extra steps. A few pro tips to make this even better. Always check your storage limits. OneDrive offers up to 1 terabyte with a Microsoft 365 subscription. Enable file versioning to recover older versions if you mess up, and use the Shared feature for seamless collaboration. If you run into issues, like sync errors, restart the app or check your internet connection. There you have it. Saving to OneDrive in 2025 is easier than ever. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.